The very first job is from Visible Alpha. They are hiring software engineer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Insight. Here you will find information regarding IT jobs, programming languages, interview questions and much more. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start our video on daily job updates. Let's get quickly into the details. They are hiring for Mumbai location. Minimum experience is 1 to 5 years. You should be having experience in C Sharp, .NET or Python framework and it will be a plus advantage for you. And the degree they are looking for is BE Tech. So here is the apply button and you can also apply it from Indeed. Let's move on to the other details. So the second job is from Dunzo. They are hiring software engineer for iOS. Experience requirement is 0 to 2 years and the location is Bangalore. So you should be having experience in product UX or UI and backend teams to design, build and extend consumer or partner facing new products, platform and features. So here is the application form. Here you can fill all the details whatever is required and you can attach your resume or your LinkedIn profile and submit this application. Let's move on to the other job. This job is from Accenture. They are hiring software developer associate and the location is Ahmedabad. Here is the apply button. If you are having some experience, you can directly apply it from here for front end as well as back end. And the job is from the Ken. They are hiring for front end developer and the location is Bangalore. Here is the apply button. So they are looking for front end developer and you should be having experience in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Experience range is 2 to 4 years. So that's all for it and you can read out all the information present over here. All these links will be in the description. Another job is from Amazon. They are hiring programmer analyst. Here is the apply button. The location is Hyderabad. The basic qualification is 0 to 3 years of overall experience in development and technical support experience. Strong object oriented development knowledge in C++ and Java, knowledge of Unix or Linux operating system, and rest all information you can read it out over here. All the links of the jobs will be in the description. Make sure you hit the like button. Now the another job is from Hitachi. They are hiring staff software engineer. The location is Bangalore. Here is the apply button. Let's get quickly into the details. Career must be in software product development and be a hands-on senior developer or leader with software development in a CIT or CDS. So this position is for experienced person only. So you can apply it over here. Another job is from Pega. They are hiring software engineer. Location is Telangana, Hyderabad. Here is the application form and you can directly give a resume or your essential details and submit this application. So let's jump on to the details. So they are looking for 2 to 4 year of software development maintenance experience, preferably in a product development company. Bachelor's or master degree in computer science or related field. Strong understanding of object oriented programming language, design, continuous integration, delivery, etc. Agile or Scrum methodology is a preference. So make sure you apply to this job quickly, otherwise the link will expire. Move on to the other job. It's from JP Morgan. So they are hiring for software engineer. Location is Bangalore, Karnataka. So last date is 25th of July 2020. Qualification they are looking for is PS, BA degree in equivalent, advanced knowledge of application data and infrastructure, architect discipline, understand of architecture design across. These all the information you can read it out over here. I'll be reading some of the important information such as you should be having experience in Java and minimum 3 years of coding experience in that, Oracle or SQL, again 3 years of experience, agile and cloud experience is a plus. Here is the apply button and you can read it out over here. So that's all for today guys. Make sure you apply to this job, share this video with all your friends who are searching for the jobs so that maximum people will be getting benefited. Like the video, share this video, comment down if you have any queries and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for the continuous updates like this. Till then, see you, bye bye.